family and my friends. It's Xcellent Dreamz, and I'm back once again. So right now I'm just cleaning up this Martin Luther King design, and what I'm doing is I'm just adding my black rhinestones on top of the black sublimation image. So basically, the image that you see here, might be hard to see with the green. Let me change it so y'all can see it. That's pretty much what the design will look like. Wherever there is black sublimation, red sublimation, or blue sublimation, or even gray sublimation, there will be stones on top of that part of the image. Let me show you here. Let's use this other mock-up here. So this mock-up is pretty much done. If you look, we have like a mint colored shirt, and we can sublimate on this mint colored shirt every color that is darker than mint. So pretty much, if it's not darker than mint, I would suggest cutting out Sublimation Flock. Not Sublimation Flock. I would suggest cutting out regular Strip Flock Pro. So any area that's white, you can layer down the Strip Flock Pro and then press the rhinestones on top of that part. That's only if you're wanting white. So for instance, this area here, that's white. Since I know I cannot sublimate white on top of this mint colored shirt, I would use flock, or I would just decide to change the color to, let's say, purple. And then if we use purple colored stones on top of that, boom. Then you don't have to worry about cutting out any flock, because you can sublimate, well, except for this white part here. And this white part, let's even make that purple. So every color that's on the page right now is darker than that mint color, so we should be able to sublimate this image onto a mint shirt with no problem at all. Like, I know the I have a dream is hard to see. So what about if we decided to not even include that part and just have that part as part of the shirt? Now we can definitely see it. Everything looks great. It all coincides with each other. We can sublimate that color. That color. Let's change it from purple. Let's just go ahead and go with some gray. Just for the sake of the video. So we can sublimate the gray, the red, the black, the browns, the tan, all of that we can sublimate onto this yellow. Once again, we'll leave that yellow here. And there we have it. You can sublimate the entire image onto the yellow shirt, and then layer the stones on top. Even if the shirt was pink, even if the shirt was teal or aquamarine, any light colored shirt, you should be able to sublimate this image on top of, and then produce similar results once you layer the rhinestones on top. I've included multiple sublimation images in my design template, but you can also edit the design template in your graphic software, change it to whatever color you want, and then sublimate the image, and then use the Rhinestone template to add the stones on top. If this video helped you to understand how sublimation and rhinestones work, please smash that like button, and I'm out.